In today's video, we discuss the debated topic of if you need to consume iron together with vitamin C. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the mineral iron and what it does. Iron is a crucial element to the body as it helps in many different ways. Iron is located in your red blood cells and is responsible for transporting oxygen throughout your body via your bloodstream. This is why people who have an iron deficiency can sometimes feel faint or lightheaded, because there isn't enough oxygen that is being supplied to the brain. Unfortunately, it's pretty common for people to have an iron deficiency, especially women and vegetarians, which we will touch on a little later. When the symptoms get worse, it can be classified as something called anemia. This is when iron levels are so low it cannot transport oxygen anymore. Next, we have to consider where we get our iron from, because depending on the source, you could be consuming two different types of iron. For example, if you get your iron from meat and poultry, you would be consuming heme iron. However, if you get a lot of your iron from plant sources, you would be consuming non-heme iron. Now you may ask, what's the difference and why does it matter? We're about halfway through the video, so hit that subscribe button, join us in our free Telegram group with the link in the description, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Non-heme iron, which comes from plant sources, isn't absorbed as well in our body in comparison to heme iron that comes from animal products. This is why we said earlier that vegetarians are sometimes at a higher risk for iron deficiencies because they do not consume animal products. Most people will consume their plant sources of iron through things like beans and spinach, but they aren't aware that it's not actually being absorbed. So how do we fix this? This is where vitamin C comes in. We all know vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts our immune system. Alternatively, it also helps to boost absorption of non-heme iron. Studies have confirmed that when combining vitamin C with non-heme iron, it can be absorbed much more efficiently. The great thing about this is that it doesn't matter if you are getting your vitamin C from food or as a supplement, it will still do the trick. So to sum up everything in this video, if you get your iron from plant sources primarily, or maybe you even take iron supplements, you need to be consuming some type of vitamin C at the same time to maximize the absorption in your body. Plus, the extra vitamin C won't hurt at all, since it's one of the most powerful antioxidants your body can use. If you want to learn about more foods that can boost your iron or vitamin C levels, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.